Hi, welcome back to the Envisioning Your Path series. Here in Houston, we have wonderful mentors like Dr. Lee, but we know that not everyone is as lucky to have someone like him right next to you. So, Dr. Lee, what do you think the value of mentorship is, and what advice do you have for connecting with mentors?
So it's really important that you find a mentor and find them early if possible. The best mentors self-aggregate. So even though there are a lot of formal assignment programs with mentors, and I would encourage you to explore those if you have those available at your school, you have to go find your mentor. And there are plenty of people that are interested that you don't know about. So you should engage and ask your peers, because the people who are in the years ahead of you already know who the good mentors are, and then that wisdom needs to be passed down to you. So once you find the mentor, really what you're asking from them is to help you with get matched. So you're not looking to them for career advice or life advice. You're really looking for them to provide you guidance to get the letter, to make sure that your process is both on time and is aligned with the timeline of the matching program, to just keep on you. And from a mentor standpoint, they need to be able to pick up the phone. So even in an email era, in a digital era, picking up the phone and hearing from someone who knows you and can advocate for you to get an interview is really the most important part of having this mentor. Yes, they need to write the letter. Yes, they need to help you with your process. Yes, they need to be supportive. All the things that a traditional mentor would do. But really, it's getting an interview is the bar, and picking up the phone when they call. So ophthalmology is a very small field, and so that means everybody knows everybody else. And so it helps if you pick a mentor that people know, because if you pick a mentor that people know, then when they pick up the phone, that person on the other end knows what that means. And for my mentees, I tell our mentees, I can move you one slot. I can make a maybe into a wait list. I can make a wait list into an interview. I can't do anything with no. So if it's a no, that can't do anything. So we spend a lot of time trying to figure out fit and fitness. You should watch that video before asking your mentor to make the call. And then once we have the list, we are going to selectively, strategically, deliberately, and intentionally target the list for interviews. And so I'll just give an example, a regional bias. A lot of Texas graduates want to stay in Texas. Your best chance is Texas programs, because Texas programs like Texas, and California people like California, and New York people like New York. And so if there's a driver, a geographic driver, then we can use that to pick up the phone. Or if there's a significant other who is the powerful motivator for bringing that person to Chicago or New York, where you say, look, the husband or the wife of this person is in finance, and they have to be in New York, and they already have a job. This is what we call dedicated interest. Expressing that dedicated interest on the phone and saying, look, this person will likely match you if you interview them. That is meaningful to programs. So pick a mentor who's going to be a mentor in all the traditional ways, but be able to pick up the phone. That's the litmus test that determines whether you get an interview.